Never give up.
surrender. You shall never give up on your dreams. And never let obstacles weaken us and hinder our progress. Remember this. People may talk behind us. People may not believe in us. And people may drag us down. But do not be shaken. We do not exist and we do not live for them. Because we live for the people who have faith and believe in us. Because we live for our family. Let us not be afraid facing our challenges. Let us pursue our dreams. Mapapagod, pero hindi po susuko. Masusugatan, pero hindi aayaw. Mabibigo, pero hindi bibitaw.